calamity falls upon any country, God forbids, and when I visualize, they say that I have come for this purpose. So every trouble, every difficulty comes for something good, and it brings something good. Because piety runs after every trouble. Piety runs. I am telling you, since you are spiritual, God forbid, suppose you are suffering from fever, and after 2 or 3 days when you get up and you just study yourself, you will find very light. Very
It's
light.
a cleaning all.
That means impressions have gone back. The poison which was in the body, that has been removed by the nature herself. Nature wants to see you as when you were, when you came here for the first time. That's a purity. God is purity is there in God. Now He worked with that purity, and it came to our share also. So He wants that I may remain as pure as we were born for the first time. So that similarly the difficulties are there. Difficulties are to bring that state. That is a state of tranquility. That is for that purpose.
Sometimes it's nice to become ill.
Of course, we do not like it. And in my case, I am telling you, of course, when I am suffering from pain or any other thing, of course I feel disturbed. But I do not take medicine for some time.
No.
Let me feel it. And I enjoy it. I do not. Enjoyment is also there and trouble is also there. Both things are there. In my case, I am telling you. So I do not take medicine. Let it be. Let it come into full swing. I wait for that. Look here. This is nothing but foolishness.
No, it's good.
So some enjoyment is also there in difficulties. Of course, if a man wants to study it, there is some enjoyment in difficulties also.
It's true.
Suppose you do not take chapati, I mean this bread, as we take, and suppose you take, just for a change, some enjoyment will also be there, although you do not like it. Some enjoyment will also there. So bitterness is itself an enjoyment. No, bitterness is itself a taste.
That's true.
Similarly, comfort is really discomfort. Because you are bound. So I'm sitting very comfortable. That is, I am bound with certain sphere or with certain circuit. So when you are bound, not the comfort at all. When you are free, then that is the comfort. And what is the freedom there? When you are free from comfort and discomfort, then that means you are free from it. I think good talk. Another question?
This man wants you to say something socially about the West, but I think the mind is also social.
No, I am telling you, I have said to you also, if you can calm down the mind of any person, that is the best social service. You want riches, I want riches, what for? So that I may pass my life very easily and comfortably. And suppose riches are not there, and you pass the life comfortably, it is itself riches.
That's true.
So riches, of course, are for certain things. You can purchase so many things, do anything, you can have a car, aeroplane, anything. It is for that. And suppose no riches, and you have got the aeroplane and car and everything, that means you are happy. So what is the real thing? Something behind yourself. That you are something behind yourself, not as you look.
That's true. You're right.
And this is a scientific process I am telling you about it. When you meditate, you wait for something. Subconsciously, you wait for ultimate result or ultimate goal or God or divinity. Unconsciously you wait. That is, you have started for that alone. You wait for something. Now when you wait for something, and since you are at one point, you are meditating, waiting for something. So that heat produces a sort of vacuum also.
A sort of
vacuum.
Vacuum.
Vacuum, you understand?
Yeah.
A sort of vacuum. When then vacuum is created, power begins to come. So the whole body, the whole physical frame should be vacuumized. So that the whole grace may come to you. And moreover, a man gets the grace, but the way is blocked. Way is blocked. And that we call it grossness. We remove the grossness. What for? So that God's grace may come directly into you. And this is the work. And when you are free from all the grossness. Half of the work of the master is over.
Yeah.
Because you begin to get what you call grace directly. And he becomes the guru and you disciple
Yeah.
of God.
Very finely explained. Vacuum
In
creator.
talk I am ready, such a talk I am gone replying. But to deliver a speech is far difficult for me. You go on question after for everything.
Unless one is a vacuum, grace cannot descend into him.
And that is why grossness.
Yeah.
And I am telling you, I devote so much time
Yeah.
in removing it.
Yeah.
And I am having very good results also.
Yeah.
So most of the time, I devote in cleaning you.
Yeah.
And of course transmission is alongside. So transmission is molded for some specific purpose that it works.
Yeah.
Suppose this very transmission, you mold it that I may become rich, it will work there also. It is a sort of power. Molding is your work.
Yeah.